Being an Australian fintech, it's been really refreshing to come all the way over here to Madrid to work with BBVA and really get inside the ranks of the BBVA team. What we've found really refreshing compared to the Australian fintechs is the way in which the community here, particularly BBVA, have been able to engage and take a very collaborative approach with fintechs from all over the world, including us from Australia. So I think one of the big differences has been their focus on partnership rather than build their own mentality, and also taking a very holistic approach to the ecosystem. Not just looking to partner with fintechs, but holistically bringing all of the different parts and pieces of that ecosystem together at this great event, the Open Innovation, Open Talent event. So it's been a great experience for us, and we're going to take a lot out of this. Open Talent for us has been an amazing opportunity to take an Australian-based solution and start, I suppose, validating and qualifying what other markets would be really, really well suited to our platform. So Open Talent for us has been about meeting and connecting with not only BBVA representatives, but also other partners within this region to understand more about how our product will fit and potentially deliver value inside the ecosystem here, but also in the wider European and Latin American markets. So for us, we've had some really good conversations with BBVA, but also strategic partners that are helping us understand these markets, and hopefully towards the end of next year we can start to deploy some of our platform and make value inside these markets. At Slyp, our vision is to eliminate paper receipts, or tickets as you say in Spanish. And so we say this for three reasons. We think that it's insane that in 2019 we're still printing paper, which actually costs the environment 145 million trees every year to produce a paper receipt. And what's worse, 75% of those receipts or tickets are non-recyclable. Secondly, the actual issue around customer experience, paper receipts are really painful for customers. And so we don't only want to digitize the receipt, but we want to bring it into the smart world of technology, delivering really elegant, beautiful experience. And finally, it's about using the data on the receipt to unlock a whole new world of understanding for banks and retailers to understand more about their customers and to deliver much more personalized experiences for that end user, and ultimately translating into better customer experience and happier customers. And so the fundamentals of our solution enable us to not change customer behavior, so customer can pay with their bank card at a retailer or a merchant as they normally would, but they get a step change in experience because automatically a digital receipt will replace the paper receipt and we automatically display it inside their mobile banking app. So they don't even have to download another app, they don't even have to give their personal data at the point of checkout. It really is a magic solution for customers, but also unlocks a whole range of different features that delight customers, but also deliver value to the ecosystem, including retailers and banks. Being an Australian-based fintech, having global exposure at this event has been huge. Created a lot of value for us in terms of networking, but just exposure for our brand on the world stage. And what better partner than BBVA, who are the golden standard when it comes to digital banking. And for us, there's such great synergies to bring our platform and our solution to those customers. And having the credibility and the backing of BBVA to put us on this stage is going to be huge for us, not only in Australia, but to take our solution globally. So for us, great credibility, but also an opportunity to network with some really key partners that will help us distribute our product in these regions and ultimately grow that network effect for our solution to get in the hands of millions of customers worldwide. Sustainability is absolutely core to our DNA at Slyp, so it's really, really fantastic that we can work with an organisation like BBVA who share those same values. And obviously part of our proposition around eliminating paper receipts is the first step of getting rid of some of this impact and this carbon footprint when it comes to payments. Where we think it becomes really interesting is now understanding what customers are buying inside their transactions and be able to create education for those end users about what other items that they're purchasing, what impact they are having on the environment. So using the data in a way to do good and to create awareness and education for customers becomes very interesting as well.